Christmas ornaments are more than decorations. They're memories that sparkle year after year. From handcrafted keepsakes to elegant glass designs, ornaments bring character and warmth to every tree. Whether you love timeless classics or fresh, modern looks, there's a perfect style for everyone. Let's explore Christmas ornament ideas that make your tree shine with meaning and magic. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Can I add natural elements as ornaments? Yes, use pine cones, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or mini wreaths. These add rustic charm and bring a cozy woodland feel to your decor. Nature added? Like this if your tree feels fresh and earthy. Can I combine different ornament finishes? Absolutely. Mix matte, glossy, glitter, and metallic ornaments. The variety creates visual interest and makes your tree shimmer from every angle. Finishes mixed, like this if your tree glows with texture and charm. How can I DIY my own ornaments? Use clear glass balls filled with glitter, faux snow, or ribbon. Paint wood slices, bake salt dough shapes, or craft felt ornaments for a handmade touch. DIY complete? Like this if your creativity shines through every branch. How can I incorporate ribbon or string with ornaments? Tie ornaments with velvet, jute, or satin ribbon instead of hooks. It adds elegance and gives your tree a custom, boutique-style finish. Details refined, like this if your ornaments hang with style. How do I choose a theme for my ornaments? Pick a theme that reflects your personality. Classic red and gold winter wonderland, rustic farmhouse, or whimsical candy inspired. A theme keeps your decor cohesive. Theme chosen? Like this if your tree feels beautifully unified. How do I finish the ornament arrangement? Step back and look for gaps or heavy spots. Distribute colors evenly and add a few statement ornaments last to create that perfect final balance. Arrangement flawless? Like this if your tree feels complete and magical. How do I highlight special ornaments? Place meaningful ornaments at eye level or near lights. Use contrasting colors behind them so they stand out beautifully among the branches. Spotlights ready? Like this if your treasures take center stage. How do I incorporate personal ornaments? Add family photos, travel keepsakes, or handmade crafts. Personal ornaments tell your story and make your tree feel extra sentimental and unique. Memories added? Like this if your tree feels full of heart. What about decorating beyond the tree? Hang ornaments from chandeliers, garlands, or windows. Use them as gift toppers or bowl fillers for a cohesive holiday look throughout your home. Decor extended? Like this if your ornaments sparkle everywhere. What about using themed ornament collections? Choose sets based on shapes or symbols, snowflakes, stars, or woodland animals. Grouping themed ornaments adds consistency and storytelling to your tree. Theme set? Like this if your ornaments tell a festive story. What's the best color combination for ornaments? Red and gold create warmth, silver and blue evoke elegance, and white with green feels fresh. Choose 2 to 3 colors for a balanced, polished look. Colors matched? Like this if your tree palette glows in harmony. What's the best way to mix ornament sizes? Combine large, medium, and small ornaments for balance. Place bigger ones deep inside the branches and smaller ones on the edges for depth. Size is balanced, like this if your tree looks full and layered. Ornaments turn your Christmas tree into a masterpiece of memories and beauty. Whether handmade or heirloom, sparkly or subtle, they reflect the joy of the season. So this year, decorate with heart, add a personal touch, and let your ornaments tell your story. Feeling inspired? Like and return for more creative Christmas decorating ideas.